Hi everyone, today I will show you how to display line weights in AutoCAD. So let's start. The line weights are showing here by layer and we have different types of line weight and we will select point 0.5 and we will draw a line here. As you saw here, we created a line with 50 mm thickness but it is not displaying on the screen. We will draw rectangle and a circle here, but the line weight is not displaying on the screen. So how we can display line weight on the screen? For AutoCAD 2024, we have to click on customization here, line symbol. Click this one and here we have to click on line weight, enable this one. After that, you can see here the show and hide line weight option is on here. You have to click and make it on, and now you can see that the line weight is changed to 50. When you make it on, now you can select any line weight. Now onwards I change to 0.9. The line is 0.9. Let's say I will change to 1.2. Line is 1.2. So in this way you have to first click on customization and click on line weight and click on show hide line weight option. So in this way you can display your line weights in AutoCAD, and if you want to off this one you have to go back and click on layer and your line will be normal, or you can off from here. Your line weight will be not shown on the drawing. So in this way we can display line weights and off line weights in the AutoCAD 2024. If you have any issue related to this line weight, comment in the comment box.